Hey everyone, Prestito here. So in today's video, I'm going to be talking about TAP Protocol. And I'm sure many of you have heard about it already. It's just been picking up tons of hype. Everyone is talking about it. And in this video, I'm going to be talking about why I'm personally so bullish on it and why I think it can be the next 100x pre-sale. So just to start off and put it very, very simply, it's a competitor to BRC20 as an ecosystem in general. And it's going to bring DeFi capabilities to Bitcoin, which will be very, very huge in itself. So before I go more into detail about TAP Protocol, I just want to let you guys know that it's by the team behind Trac Network, which I'm sure you guys have also heard of. We can go here to their website and see what Trac is about. Basically, they aim to enable decentralized tracking of Ordinals meta protocols. And if we have a look at Trac here on CoinMarketCap, we can see it's sitting at above $100 million market cap, and it's still performing very well, basically near all-time highs. So you can see this is already super hyped, and that's why TAP is also picking up so much hype. And if we scroll down here to the bottom of their page and go to ecosystem, you can see TAP over here. So if we open TAP, we can go to their website and see it's an OrdFi enabling protocol. So they've created a protocol that allows for secure and accessible development on Bitcoin and unprecedented flexibility in programmability. And simply put, TAP facilitates building on Bitcoin in a way no competitors can. And unlike the competitors, TAP is also decentralized, which is also very, very huge. So if we scroll down here, we can see there's 50,000 users onboarded already, of which 33,000 are bitmap holders, 4,500 plus are Trac holders, and over 13,000 are NAT holders. And keep in mind, this doesn't include all the high liquidity projects moving to TAP and all the new projects building on TAP as well, which you can see here already 14 plus are building on TAP. So that is really, really huge. So speaking about NAT, you can see here the post by SMB saying that NAT already sitting at 60 million market cap just after launch, with almost more holders than Audi, which is really huge. You can see here, this is where NAT is trading. You can see the total volume is insane, 240 Bitcoin, and 24-hour volume is 2.5 Bitcoin. And you can actually also go to the TAP Explorer. You can see over here, you can search the tokens. For example, if you want to search NAT, you see, search this DMT, and you'll see DMT NAT over there, which is this token that is currently trading, that's performing so well with over 5,000 owners. So now let's move on to go more into detail about TAP and what they offer. So let's first talk about the limitations of BRC20. So existing token protocols predominantly lack support for third-party extensions. You require detailed knowledge about enhancements like BRC20 modules, which becomes imperative to know. And what does this result in? Basically, each extension requires separate tracking, complicating account balance monitoring. And all of this results in deterring developers, so they don't want to adopt certain protocols, and it stifles the broad vision and growth of the ecosystem. So in comparison, what does TAP offer? So basically, they're built to be both extendable and versatile within Ordinals, and they offer a symbiotic relationship between tokens and collectibles. And they also introduce the unique token authority feature. Extensions are also seamless, and there's no need for indexes to understand intricate details. And they're also true to the open and close principle, which is open to extensions and steadfast against modifications. So this gives them a clear competitive edge in the blockchain space. So now let's talk a bit about TAP's functionalities and what they have to offer in general. So they're going to have swapping and staking, where users can seamlessly swap tokens and stake them to support the network and earn rewards, combining liquidity with incentives. And this comes to offering DeFi for Bitcoin, as you can see. They're also going to have liquidity pools, where TAP facilitates the creation of token pools where users can contribute, enabling decentralized trading and earning fees in return. They're also going to have token authentication, where TAP provides a framework for authenticating tokens within platforms, potentially for users in-game currency or items. You can see this opens up to a whole broader space, even GameFi. Then they also have TAP Art, and this feature links Ordinals with tokens on the TAP protocol, allowing fractionalized ownership of valuable art, unlocking the potential for micro-ownership and broad accessibilities to Ordinal art pieces. And this also reminds me of ERC404, which recently launched, which performed insanely well as a ecosystem with all the tokens launching. As you know, I made a video on this one if you want to check it out. But TAP basically will offer something similar to this in the sense that it allows fractionalized ownership of art. So that is also very, very big. They're also going to have multi-send, where users can send multiple transactions at once. And this is going to simplify the distribution of tokens to various recipients. And airdropping tokens within Ordinals is made a lot easier and cost effective. So this is also very huge. It's also going to be a multi-asset protocol, which is going to be capable of handling various types of assets beyond a single standard, which will broaden the scope of transactions and interactions within the Bitcoin blockchain. And also what's going to be really, really big is their bitmap integration. So basically the TAP token will be used as payments in the bitmap BTC metaverse. So that's going to be very big in my opinion. As you know, bitmaps are taking off. I also was one of the first to cover those, and they performed insanely well. And I think they will still keep going. And with TAP integrated with bitmaps, that's also going to just be super bullish for them. So what do we know about the tokenomics? Obviously, that's always important to cover. What we do know is the initial market cap is around $3 million at launch, and the fully diluted value is around $25 million, which is really low and really huge room for growth in terms of the market cap. So I'm very, very bullish on TAP Protocol. I definitely recommend you guys to give them a follow on their socials. Also give me a follow. I'll be covering all the latest about TAP Protocol. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.